Hello, this is Christian Technology, and in this video tutorial I will be going to show you how you can fix issues with your Windows Update. The first step is to click on the Windows icon and type Services. Once you are on Services, click on Name and right click on the service called Windows Update. Click on Properties, and simply what you need to do is change the start type from manual to automatically delay start. Click on Start to start the service, hit Apply, hit OK, and restart your computer. But if you already have the service on automatically delay start, simply restart the service and then restart your computer. And now check if your issue has been resolved. If this didn't work for you, the next step is to right click on the Windows icon and click on Settings. Once you are in Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters, select Windows Update, click on Run, and wait for the troubleshooter to scan and fix your issue. Now, this will not work 100% all the time, but it might be worth checking out as it might be able to fix your issue. Now, if you found an issue, sometimes it will ask you if you want to fix the issue. If it does ask you, simply click on Yes, then hit Apply, hit OK, and restart your computer, and check if your issue has been resolved. If this still didn't work for you, the last step is to delete the Windows Update cache files. These are the copies of the update that you have downloaded on your computer. When you download an update, it will create a copy of the update and it will save it on your computer. This sometimes will cause issues with your Windows Update. To delete the file, simply click on the Windows icon and type File Explorer. Then click on this PC, click on Local Disk C Drive, click on Windows, scroll down until you see a folder called Software Distribution. Enter the folder, click on Download, simply select everything that you see here and just delete it. Keep in mind that sometimes you will not be able to delete everything that you see here, that it is here. But just try to delete as much as you can and check if your issue has been resolved. Hopefully one of these methods worked for you. If you still have questions, please comment on the comment section below and I'll be glad to help you on your issue. This is Christian Technology and I'll be seeing you on the next video.